नमस्ते सर, नमस्ते। सरलाई यही बेलामा मैले सोधिहालेँ। सर आज 11 का साइन्स आज क्लास लिए सर हजुरको म्याथ?
लिएका छन् सर।
अब हामीले भनेअनुसार सिद्धियो होइन सर कि छँदै?
सक्यो सक्यो सर, लगभग सक्यो।
ए ल ल अलि तान्नु होला है सर। 18 गतिको 22 गति सार्न पर्ला जस्तो छ इक्जाम।
त्यही त होइन, मैले त लगभग सक्दिएको छु। अब आउँदैन कन्फ्युज भएको छ भने कुनै दिन अब त्यही ग्रुपमा गरेर गर्दा हुन्छ, क्लास एउटा दुइटा भनिरहेको छु मैले।
ल ल शनिबार त्यो रिभिजन क्लास लिइदिनुलाई 11 गति साइन्सको पुरानो छुटेका विद्यार्थीको।
हुन्छ हुन्छ, शनिबार म
लिइदिनु भयो।
लिइदिन्छु।
अब एउटा शनिबारले यस्तो पुग्छ होला नि उनीहरूलाई।
पुग्छ लगभग, उनीहरूलाई मैले भनेको छु कस्तो प्याटर्नको
ल ल
क्वेसनहरू, अनि
ल ल
त्यसपछि
ल सर ल। ओके डियर
हुन्छ।
स्टुडेन्ट्स, आज तिमीहरूको ब्रिज कोर्स र फिजिकल क्लासको चाहिँ बिहिबार र शुक्रबार कम्प्युटर क्लास राखेको छु है। आज बुधबार होइन, भोलि र पर्सि चाहिँ तिमीहरूको कम्प्युटर क्लास छ है। कम्प्युटर क्लासमा बायो फिजिकल दुइटै बस्नु होला, किनभने दुइटैलाई काम लाग्ने चिज हो। अब फिजिकलले त बस्नै पर्ने हुन्छ, बायो ग्रुपले पनि बस्ने है। धेरै कुराहरू सिकिन्छ। भोलि चाहिँ जुलोजीको क्लासको ठाउँमा चाहिँ तिमीहरूको कम्प्युटर क्लास हुन्छ है। ल त्यति।
ओके सर।
र अब त्यसपछि हामी क्लासै सुरु गरौँ। हुन्छ सर, हजुरले सुरु गर्नुभयो हुन्छ सर।
हुन्छ, हस् हस् सर। ओके। So last time we were discussing about matrices and determinant. Okay, so today I'll revise a little bit about uh, transpose of matrix and multiplication of two matrices first of all, and after that uh, we'll continue our lessons. Okay, our topics about determinants. So थोरै रिभिजन गर्छौँ म, त्यसपछि हामी अगाडि बढ्छौँ है। हिजो हामीले गरेका थियौँ सम अफ टु म्याट्रिक्स, सम एन्ड डिफरेन्स, मल्टिप्लिकेसन अफ टु म्याट्रिसेस। सो मल्टिप्लिकेसन अफ टु म्याट्रिसेस फर multiplication of two matrices we have, look at it, we have first of all, if there is a matrix which has order Aij m into p and another matrix B whose order is p into n, in that case AB is defined. AB is defined. That means we can find the product AB. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot find the product AB. So for that, number of columns in A must be equal with number of rows in B for the matrix AB. Okay. In the same way, for BA. Okay, look at here. Here is, for example, M into P, that is M by P, and P by N. So in that case, P is identical. That's why the order of product with product of matrix, that is AB, we can say that Cij, that is M into N. Likewise, we can multiply two matrices. It is not necessary that two matrices of same order for the multiplication. Just we need to follow the rules. That means if you multiply two matrices A and B, then the number of columns in matrix A must be equal with number of rows in B. In that case, matrix multiplication is possible. Okay, we can do like this way. And last time I taught about how to multiply two matrices and rules I had given that time. And another term we touched yesterday, that is transpose of matrix. Okay, so that is we can transpose the matrix by interchanging its rows and columns. That means, for example, look at here. So I'll erase this. Look at here. If I have a matrix A equals to Aij n by n order, B any matrix of order m by n, then its transpose is denoted by AT or A dash. So that is A prime also we can say. That is A dash equals to Bij and order will be changed n by m. For example, I'll give one example. For example, if we say that, let's suppose matrix P equals to 2, 4, 3, 7, 6, 8. This is of 2 by 3 order matrix. So if you interchange this matrix, then you will get transpose of matrix, that is PT. So it will be just like this: 2, 4, 3, and 7, 6, 8 whole to the power t. Okay. Then you can transpose row into column, column into row. So look at here. Okay, first of all, 2, here is 2 and 7. So first of all, you have to just write down rows into column, column into row. Okay, 2, 7, 4, 6, and 3, 8. Like that, 3 by 2 we can write down. Row into column, column into row. Likewise, you can do. So this is the just transpose of matrix. Okay. Now another topic we are going to discuss today is determinant. Okay. What do you mean by determinant of any matrix? That means we are just going to deal with determinant of square matrix. That means 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. In previous class, you have learned that how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So we are just going to deal with 2 by 2 matrix and determinant and 3 by 3 also. So in 11th class, you will study the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix also. Okay. So if you have any queries, then you can ask in chat box. Okay. So I'll just going to deal with that topic. Look at here. अब यहाँ हेर्ने हामीले लास्ट टाइम क्लास 10 मै हामीले पढिसकेको छ 2 by 2 matrix का determinant कसरी निकाल्ने भन्ने कुरा. So for example, okay, just I am just going to write here definition of determinant. What do you mean by determinant? Okay, first of all, okay, wait, I'll just now. Okay. let A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22 is 2 by 2 square matrix. 2 by 2 B or 2 by 2 square matrix. Then determinant of A is denoted by Okay, just like modulus A, that is the symbol of determinant. Okay, and is defined by this is just a number. Okay, so A is equal to A11, A12. Just you have to put into vertical bars those elements and write them like this way, and just multiply principal, diagonal, and just subtract the product of another diagonals element. Okay, so that is A11, A22 minus A21, A12. Simply example I will give. If A is equal to A, B, C, D, then
सर अनि नन डायगोनललाई चाहिँ रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नु पर्दैन
non-diagonal. Yes, here is non-diagonal also. Look at here. This is non-diagonal. Non-diagonal. Main diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements, first of all you have to write, and minus and the product of remaining diagonal one elements. Okay. So
ओके सर
A, B, C, D. So in that case, AD minus BC. This is simply a number. Okay. It is simply a number. Okay. अब हामीले यसमा के गर्छौं भनेदेखि जस्तो डिटर्मिनेन्ट हेरेर यो म्याट्रिक्स कस्तो खालको हो भन्ने कुरा डिटरमाइन गर्न सक्छौं. For example, if determinant of any matrix is 0, then that matrix is known as singular matrix. Okay, you are familiar with that matrix. पढिसकेको छ पहिला पनि. If matrix A, determinant of matrix A is 0, then matrix A is known as singular matrix. Singular matrix. So this is new term. I think you had learned in class 10 also this term. Okay, singular matrix. And if, okay, I'll write here, if determinant of matrix, that is A, is not equal to 0, either positive or negative, in that case A is said to be non-singular. Okay, non-singular matrix. Singular matrix. So you need to know this. Okay. In this way we can easily calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. We can tell that. Okay, example, I'll give one example. For example, look at here. Example will be like this. So example will be, okay, A equals to, for example, 1, 2, 5, 12. Okay, then determinant of A, that is 1, 2, 5, 12, you can write in vertical, 2 vertical bar, and then just multiply 1 into 12 minus 5 into 2. That means 12 minus 10, that is 2. 2 is simply the determinant of A. Okay, in this way we can calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Look at here. So if you have any doubts, then you can just ask. And we'll deal with 3 by 3 matrix one determinant also. So till here you have studied in class 10 also. So thus we are going to deal with determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix is also a square matrix. In that case also we can easily find the determinant. So let me write some okay, one definition of this one. So if 3 by 3 matrix, then determinant will be, how can we find determinant? Okay, we are just going to discuss. Look at here. So I'll just erase this one. 3 by 3 matrix or determinant. Look at here. अब हेर है हामीले यहाँ के गर्छ भने 3 by 3 matrixलाई if A is equal to, so just I'll write here symbol. Okay, just A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is 3 by 3, be a 3 by 3 square matrix. Square matrix, because number of rows and columns are same, that's why this is known as square matrix. So in that case, square matrix, then determinant of A is denoted by like this. You have to write down just absolute sign like this sign, and is defined by look at here, modulus A. We can say that determinant of A, that is just includes these all elements inside these two vertical lines like this, and A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, these are the elements of matrix. Okay, so like this way. Now expand this. So first of all, write down here should be plus, because look at here is plus, this is rule. Okay, here will be minus, here will be plus. Okay, along this rows, first rows, we have to write down A11 first of all. Okay, and look at here, along this element, rows and columns, you have to just eliminate and write these values only. A22, A23, A32, A33, like this. Similarly, minus, this is the rule, minus will be here. So because 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 is odd number. For odd, we have to write minus. Okay, look at here. A12 is equal to A1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 means odd number, so we have to put here minus sign. So A12. Now the elements along with this element we have to eliminate. Look at here. Your element garne remaining A21, A23, and then A31, A33 will be here. In the same way, again you have to do plus. अब इसको पाली आए. One tron is this one, and here is plus. Why? Because 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is even. For even we have to write down plus. Here also 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is even, so plus. Here is, look at here. This element is 1 plus 2, 3. So odd, so we have to put here minus sign. Okay. So that is the rule. And after that, you some associate bako, row and column you have to eliminate, and remaining value will be A21, A22, A31, A32. Likewise, you can calculate. After this, look at here. I write here. So A11, and just multiply this one value. A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23, like this, minus A12, A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. We can do like this way. Similarly, plus A13 inside bracket, just expand this 2 by 2 matrix and determinant, that is AD minus BC, same like before. So A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. So in this way, we can easily calculate the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, हामीले हेरे यहाँ फर्स्ट अफ अल के गर्ने, यो 3 by 3 matrix में plus minus plus. Why plus minus? Because 1 plus 1 2 positive, put here plus sign. Okay, in the same way, here is A1 2 मा के छ, here will be negative, because 1 plus 2 is 3 is odd का लागि negative sign राख्ने, अनि यो टर्म आयो. अब योसँग एसोसिएट भएको यो टोटल यतिलाई के गर्ने इलिमिनेट गर्ने यहाँ भएको टोटल यू क्यान इलिमिनेट दिस वान सो a21 a23 I wrote here and a31 and a33 will be here okay remaining term लाई determinant को फर्ममा लेख्ने and then plus last term is a13 so a13 I wrote here because here is plus sign why because 1 plus 2 3 is 4 4 is even for even we have to put here plus sign अनि बाँकी भएको टर्म यो र योसँग एसोसिएट भएको रोज एन्ड कोलम इलिमिनेट जस्ट राइट डाउन a21 a22 a31 a32 सो अब यसलाई पनि के गर्ने एक्सपान्ड लाइक 2x2 म्याट्रिक्स डिटर्मिनेन्ट वान 2x2 म्याट्रिक्स वान डिटर्मिनेन्ट लाइकवाइज वी क्यान डु यसरी हामी के गर्छौँ सो आई विल डु जस्ट वान इक्जाम्पल हियर इक्जाम्पल गरेपछि बुझिन्छ सो let me solve one question how to find the determinant of 3x3 matrix okay अब यो हामीले किन गरिरहेका छौं भनेदेखि so to solve such different type of linear problems linear equation यस्तो हुन सक्छ for example look at here x plus y plus z is equal to 5 जस्तो हुन सक्छ 2x minus 3y minus 7 okay 7z is equal to 0 and x minus okay plus 5y minus z is equal to 9 यस्तो खालको इक्वेसन सल्भ गर्नलाई we need 3x3 matrix so in that case we need to find matrix determinant of this coefficient matrix को determinant निकाल्नु पर्ने भएकोले गर्दाखेरि so 3x3 matrix को determinant हामीले के गर्नु परेको लर्न गर्नु परेको है सो यसका लागि के गर्ने अझै पनि म भन्छु यहाँ अलिकति थोरै एउटा एक्जाम्पल गरौँ after example you will understand easily okay look at here I'll give just example for example just I'll solve that example then you will easily understand just look at here so how to solve that so for example how to find determinant of 3x3 matrix for example I'll just write one example okay find determinant of A is equal to so I'll just write 1 3 and here I'll write 6 okay similarly there is 5 2 I'll write here 3 and 6 1 2 I'll write so this is 3x3 matrix look at here okay now we have to find the determinant of this matrix how to find so we must apply here formula first of all write down determinant of A is equal to just enclose this all elements inside two vertical bar okay so this is the symbol of determinant so 1 5 6 write down 3 2 1 6 3 2 now after that I already told you that first of all put here plus minus plus okay because this is even this is also even this one is odd okay यो वेमा गर्न पनि मिल्छ मैले यसलाई ले फर्स्ट रोलाई ले तिमीले फर्स्ट कोलमबाट पनि गर्न मिल्छ यसरी प्लस माइनस प्लस गरेर र मैले यहाँ चाहिँ के गर्ने रोजलाई लिएर गरे
सेकेन्ड रो या सेकेन्ड कलमबाट पनि गर्न सकिन्छ
यस गर्न मिल्छ जति मिल्छ जताबाट गरे पनि हुन्छ बट इट विल बी इजी फर यु टु डु फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कोलम ओके यो भित्रबाट गर्दाखेरि कन्फ्युजन हुन सक्छ मिल्छ प्लस माइनस हुन्छ यस प्लस माइनस प्लस भाइ आई अलरेडी टोल्ड a11 ओके a11 भनेको पोजिटिभ हुने भयो बिकज यहाँ हेर त इभन हुने भयो a12 नेगेटिभ अड भएकोले गर्दा नेगेटिभ एन्ड a13 द्याट विल बी 4 हुन्छ 4 भनेको इभन द्याट इज पोजिटिभ त्यही भएर प्लस माइनस प्लस डाउन अल्सो सेम अरूको पनि सेम गर्ने है हामीले प्रोसेस सेम अप्लाई गर्छौँ प्लस माइनस प्लस ओके नाउ लुक एट हियर आफ्टर दिस राइट डाउन 1 द्याट इज a11 and inside bracket look at here you must eliminate the column associated with 1 and the rows associated with 1 यताको र यो सबट्र्याक्ट गरेर हटाइदेऊ बाँकी कति भयो 2 1 3 2 बाँकी भयो 2 1 3 2 will be here and minus so you have to write 5 okay 5 means a12 and then you have to just eliminate the rows and column associated with this 5 that means you must you will eliminate gara your term look at here this term and you must eliminate this term. So which numbers are remaining here? Look at here, 3 1, 3 1 and 6 2. Similarly, last one, write down 6 and 6 को पनि हेर त 6 सँग एसोसिएट भएको column and row we have to eliminate. Then 3 2 6 3 will be here. After that, look at here, 1 is same. Now look at here, 2 to the 4 minus 3, AD minus BC, same formula of 2 by 2 matrix, one determinant. So 4 minus 3 will be here, minus 5, I'll just do directly. 6, 2 3 are 6, 6 minus 6, you can write like this way, and plus 6, and here is 3 3 are 9, minus 12, 6 2 are 12, okay. So what will be the value? 1 into 1, yes, it means 1, minus 5 into 0, plus 6 into, here will be minus 3. Look at here, minus 3. So this is 1, this one is 0. So minus 18. So it will be minus 17. So minus 17 is the determinant of matrix A, given matrix A. So in this way, we can easily find out the matrix, okay, determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix. So this is the rule. You can expand through this one also, this first column also, second also, third also. From any column and any row you can expand, but you will get the same result. Okay, if your process is correct, then you will get the same result. We can do like this way. Do you have any doubts? Then you can ask. Otherwise, we'll discuss different properties of determinant. Okay, so this is the basic definition of determinant of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. So we'll deal with different properties here of 3 by 3 matrix and property we are going to deal. So do you have any doubts here? Yes. Okay, now let me give 1-2 questions for you. Okay, then you'll do easily. So I'll give 1-2 questions. Okay, here. Question will be, so find the determinant of, write down 1 questions. Okay, I'll give 1 question, then do yourself like this way, then just find out the value of. Wait, I'm just going to give you 1 question and do that question, then you'll get the result. Okay, so write down what is the value of the, find out. Okay, find the determinant of, I'll just write down here question. So that is, look at here, 3 9 6 minus 7 6 minus 14 2 5 4. Let's do this question. Okay, find the determinant of this by 3 matrix. Okay, you have to just find the determinant. So I'll just put here square bracket. So just calculate, all of you calculate the value of this. How to calculate? I already told you to just apply formula. There will be plus minus plus and calculate as before.
Zero is answer, sir.
Okay, you got 0. Okay, Santosh Kumar, very good. 0 you got 0, but I'll tell, okay? Answer. What will be the answer? Just we'll check others one also. And अब मैले 3 जनाको लिन्छु answer, and I'll do here, okay?
Sir, 0.
Yes. Okay, good. So you got 0 here. Yes, obviously you'll get 0. This is the correct answer. Here will be plus, here will be minus, here will be plus. I already told. So just you have to first of all write down to solve these questions. So let A, so you can write like this way. 3 and 6 first of matrix like this way. So determinant of A equals to 396 minus 7, 6 minus 14, 254. Okay, so here should be plus, minus, plus. So should be 2, 4, and last and minus 2. This is the way that we did this question. So we got 0. That means we have because determinant is 0. Okay.